Hello friend, welcome back. In our all previous video, I already discussed about that Laravel code functionalities. That means how can create data, how can read data, how can update data, and how can delete data. So each and everything I already discussed about that things with you with the live example. Hope it's very much clear to you. In this video, I want to show you like if you want to add some of the pagination. I just added some of the demo data. For right now, they have the 6 data. Okay, so if you want to add some of the pagination, like after that 5 or after the 10, it should be redirected to the next page. So that is actually the pagination. It's very much easy to create pagination in Laravel. How you can do that work, I will show you that things with a live example. For doing this, first of all, you have to understand like here in our home page, I just defined that one of the method. Like if you go to this place, like in our that is student controller, and in your student controller here, if you see like in our index method, and in our index method, I just load that page. That means the welcome page. And here there is all that our data. I just added that table in our home page. That means the welcome page. Now I want to do like before I get all the data from our table, that means the student table, right? So now here I want to put some of the limitation. Like for now this all the data will be visible on here, but right now I want to put some of the limitation. So if you want to do that work, then here you have to write down on particular that position as a paginate. Okay, so I just define as a paginate, and into the paginate here right now I define as a 5. That means here I just put some of the limitation as a 5. That means after that 5, that means here it's only visible that 5 data on particular that position. Okay, so let's check this out. I just defining as a paginate as a 5, and now if you click on the save all, and now that is actually the 6 data. So now I just refresh it. Yes, now we see it's now showing as a 5 data. I hope you can well understand about it. So now I want to add some of the paginate, like because we have one another data for doing this. That is our welcome page. So now go to our welcome page, and into this page here that is actually the for each ended on particular that area. So after that for each, so here I just added one of the Laravel command. So I just define as a student. Okay, student, because here I already compact one of the things that is a students. Okay, so it should be students, and here I just defining that in our welcome page, because here I'm already outside of the for each. For the reasons here I have to define that students. Okay, because in our for each I already define that one as a student. Okay, so right now I am outside of the for each. For the reasons I have to add that variable as a students, which actually I passed from here. I hope you can well understand about it. So now in particular that position you have to add one of the function as a link. Okay, I just defined that links on particular that area. So that's all you have to do for showing the pagination. Like click on the save all, and now if you refresh that page, like here I just refresh it. Yes, now we see there is actually one, that is a 2 page. So if you click on the 2, so they have another data is a 6 number data is now visible on particular that position. I hope you can well understand about it, how much easily you can add that pagination in Laravel. So now it's perfectly working on here. So thanks for watching, and if you have any query and if you have any questions, just let me know about it. I'm here for help you. I will try to help you as much as I can. So don't hesitate to let me know about your problem. I will see you in the next video.